Welcome grade 5s to your practical activity 4 on page 105. Today we are going to investigate processing by mixing and cooking. So our aim with this experiment is to mix and cook flour and salt to make Play-Doh. So for today's experiment we need a pot, I'm using a bowl today, a strong spoon, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, a tablespoon of cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 cups of water, and 2 to 3 drops of food coloring. Today I'm going to be using red food coloring. So let's get to our method and let's start making some Play-Doh. Okay, so for our method we're going to stir the flour, our salt, our cream of tartar all together. So one of the questions on page 106 says, describe how the mixture of the dry ingredients looks. So to me this is very dry, very powdery, very soft, and all of our ingredients are white in color. So it almost looks like baby powder, but you can see it is very powdery, very soft. And I'm going to make a bit of a well in the middle so that we can add in our oil. Mix in the oil and then the water. Okay. Oil. And then let us add our water. I'm then going to add a little bit and then mix so long. Okay, so our question number 2, describe how the mixture looks after oil and water are added to the dry ingredients. This is what it looks like. We have mixed it all together. It is sticky, but it's very soft as well, just like Play-Doh. So soft, a little bit sticky, and what we also call malleable, so you can mush it into different shapes, which is very cool. Okay, so you see I've put gloves on because I'm about to add our food coloring, and food coloring can actually stain your fingers. So if you are mixing this at home for fun, because then you get to have Play-Doh, if you're using food coloring, I would suggest maybe if you have gloves or use a spoon or something like that, because you will get color on your fingers. So let's do this. A few drops of red, and then we are going to start like folding. Getting a nice pinky color. So at this point I'm going to take out my dough and put it on the table. And keep mixing. And while I'm mixing, one-handed, let's answer question 3. Compare your observations to how the mixture looks. What is the texture? So the texture of the dough is very smooth. It is very soft. It's almost like satiny. So it has to be very smooth when you are mixing it in the bowl, because then you know it's ready. So yeah, that is for question 3. It is smooth and satiny. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to make this, it is actually really fun to make it for the holidays, because then if you make shapes, you can bake it in the oven afterwards and give your mom an ornament or something as a gift. So yeah, enjoy!